Alright, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be another short lesson on multiplication and how to represent multiplication using equal groups. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in here. Number one says write a multiplication sentence to represent the total number of hearts. Alright, so for number one, the first thing we need to figure out is how many groups. This first blank is going to represent our groups, and then the second one is going to represent the items in the group. So there are 4 groups, and inside each group there are 4 hearts, and then when we do 4 times 4, that gives us 16. So there are 16 total hearts in this group. And if we wanted to, we could just count all of the hearts up. This would be
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
All right, so the next one, remember, we're doing groups. These would be groups and the items in the group. So there are 2 groups, right? 1 and 2. And then there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3 things, 3 suns in each group, which make a total of 6. 2 times 3 is 6, and if we finish counting, that would be
4, 5, 6.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at number 3. Let's count out our groups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 groups, and there are how many numbers of smiles? 1, 2, 3 smiles in each group, which makes a total of 18. Okay, and remember, we could always go through and count it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, so for number 4, they want the total number of moons. So let's count the groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 groups. In each group, there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. There are 8 moons. So that gives us a total of 24 moons. All right, let's take a look at number 5. There are how many groups? Let's count here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. So there are 10 groups. Let me erase that real quick. There are 10 groups. And each group there is just one object. So that means that there are a total of 10 objects. Number 6, fill in the blank below to make the statement true. So how many groups are there? There's just one group, one big group. And how many objects? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So one group, 9 objects, and each group for a total of 9 objects. All right, let's take a look at these last 2 word problems here. Number 7, Stephanie made 4 plates of cookies. She put 9 cookies on each plate. How many cookies does Stephanie have in all? Draw a picture to show the groups and objects in each group and solve. So she made 4 plates. Let's draw 4 plates.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And on each plate, she put 9 cookies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to put 9 cookies on each plate. And I'm using my X's to represent my cookies. Alright.
So now we have our 4 plates, 9 cookies. We have to add up all of those cookies. And when we add up all of those cookies, we're going to end up with 36. So we can write this as 4 times 9, or we can write it as 4 times 9, or we can write it as 4 times 9, all of which equals 36. So 36 cookies in all. Okay. Number 8. Alice picked peaches in 6 baskets. She put 9 peaches in each basket. How many peaches does Alice have in all? Draw a picture to show the groups and objects in each group and solve. All right. So 6 baskets.
Those are our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And in each basket, she put 9 peaches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to repeat this for all of my baskets. You should too. All right.
Now we have 6 baskets, 9 peaches in each basket, which represents 6 times 9, or we can write it as 6 times 9, or we can write it as 6 times 9. And when you add it all up, or count them all up, that equals 54. So she had a total of 54 peaches in all. All right, and that will conclude our another mini lesson on multiplication and equal groups.